National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for southern Livingston County, northern Washtenaw County, until 5 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Dexter and moving east at 15 miles per hour. There are additional thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes northwest of Chelsea. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Barton Hills around 4:25 p.m. Ann Arbor around 4:30 p.m. Dixboro around 4:45 p.m. Salem around 5 p.m.